Rima Standard Academy. We have geography. This morning we're going to be looking at calculation of distance under geography. The last time we met, we solved various examples on the calculation of distance. So this morning we'll continue from where we stopped. Example number 1. If the distance between Lagos on latitude 4 degrees north and Bamako is 1,665 kilometers, what latitude is Bamako? That is one part of the question. Assuming that Lagos and Bamako are in the same hemisphere. So there's quite a little difference between what we have on the board and the previous examples we've been solving, but the same approach. Now let's solve this question on the board. The first step in calculating distance is to locate the two places involved. And what we have on the board, we have Lagos, which is latitude 4 degrees north. Then we have Bamako, which is unknown latitude. Now the next step in calculating distance is we locate the two places involved. The next step is to find the latitude differences. So we have Lagos, but we do not have Bamako. So we can't actually find the latitude differences. Rather, we find differences in distance. Which is 1,665 kilometers. Differences in distance is 1,665 kilometers. Next, we'll find the differences in degree. And we are quite sure that 1 degree gives us 111 kilometers. Therefore, our differences in degrees 1,665 kilometers divided by 111 kilometers. Our difference in degree is our distance divided by 111 kilometers, and this will give us 15 degrees. This is our final answer, but we are not done because the question says assuming that Lagos and Bamako are in the same hemisphere. If Lagos and Bamako are in the same hemisphere, so our 15 degree plus 4 degree, this will give us 19 degree north. 4 degree north, the same hemisphere, it will give us 19 degree north. This is our final answer. The same question, but I want to employ a different method. The first thing we do is we locate the two places involved, which will have Lagos, latitude 4 degrees north, Bamako, unknown. The same question, but a different approach. So here we are going to say 1 degree equals to 111 kilometers. Then this degree is unknown equals to the distance that is given to us 1,665 kilometers. 1 degree equals to 111 kilometers. The degree is unknown, which is what we're looking for. Then equal to this. Then we cross multiply. We say 1 times 1665 equal to x times 111 kilometer. This times this will give us 1665 equal to this times this will give us 111x. We now divide both sides by 111. We now divide both sides by 111. So this means we have 1665 all over 111 equal to 111x all over 111. This we cancel this, we are left with x. 111 here 111 here 15 times. Here we have our 15 degree. Are we together? Now, we still return back to the question here. It says, assuming that Lagos and Bamako are in the same hemisphere. This simply implies that 15 degree plus 4 degree here. This will give us 19 degree north. It is 90 degree north because the question says Lagos and Bamako are on the same hemisphere. Example 2. If the distance between Accra, latitude 10 degree north, and Freetown is 4,440 kilometers, what latitude is Freetown? Assuming that Accra and Freetown are on different hemispheres. Step 1. Locate the two places involved. Accra will have latitude 10 degree north. Then we'll have Freetown on noon. Now, the second step says we should find the latitude differences, but we have one latitude, we don't have the other latitude. So in this situation, we can't find the latitude differences, rather we find the differences in distance. Differences in distance. And what is our differences in distance? 4,440 kilometers. And next we find the differences in degree. Differences in degree. Differences in degree, which will give us our distance 4,000. Now let me come this way. 1 degree equals to 1 kilometer, 111 kilometer. Therefore, differences in degree is 4,440 kilometer divided by 111 kilometer. This will give us our differences in degree. And when we divide this properly and carefully, we arrive at what? 40 degree. Because the question says, assuming Accra and Freetown are on different hemispheres. If they are on different hemispheres, this simply implies that 40 degree minus 10 degree. And this will give us 30 degree. 30 degree what? Different hemisphere. This is northern hemisphere, so this will be what? Southern hemisphere. Thank you. Still the same question, but a different approach, method 2. Locate the two places involved. Accra, latitude 10 degree north, Freetown on noon. Basically, we know 1 degree. In calculating distance, 1 degree gives us 111 kilometers. Thereby, our x equal to 4,440 kilometers. Our x is unknown. That is what we're looking for. Are we together? So what we do here is we cross multiply. We cross multiply. 1 times 4,440 equal to x times 111. This times this will give us 4,440 equal to this times it will give us 111x. Quickly we divide both sides. We divide both sides. Both sides by what? By 111. Divide both sides by 111. So we have 4,440 all over 111 equal to 111x all over 111. So this do away with this. We have our x. This do away with this, so we are left with our x. Are we together? So we have 111 into 4,440. Our x equals to 40 degrees. Our x equals to 40 degrees. We go back to the question. It says, assuming that Accra and Freetown are on different hemispheres. So we say our 40 degree minus the previous latitude that was given to you for Accra minus 10 degree. And this will give us 30 degree. 30 degree what? Different hemisphere. This is northern hemisphere. So this will be southern hemisphere. Thank you.